feel like there needs to be a word or something like that, where you could just the idea, I suppose, is that you have this agent. If it was ChatGPT agent, maybe agent ChatGPT is kind of an agent, right? It doesn't do
You're right. You're right.
Right. So it's an agent. You give it a task, and then what happens is, if it doesn't know in its training data, so to speak, it'll just make something up. It'll just be like, this is, because the clouds are, made by, I don't know.
Yeah.
But instead of hallucinating, the tool goes, I don't know.
Yeah.
And then it sort of introspect. Maybe it's like introspection.
That's great. You just solved it, man. That's great. You're turning the LLM to have some introspection before it takes an action, because it got stuck. It realized, but you see, then the prompt would have to be really well written for it to realize this human is asking me to do something, and we ask terrible questions, and it tries its best to make an inference against what we're fucking saying, what we spit out of our meat mouths, and it's like, what is this human trying to fucking say? Just tell me what you want. I don't know what I want. Anyways, okay. Side that. So agentic flows are exactly what we're talking about. You were, you naturally started to see what you just described is a thing. And now I think about it as constraining a system. So yes, when I build tools, or I'm building internal stuff right now with IO, I want to know where this thing's going to hallucinate, where it won't. And then agents were this thing that I realized, holy shit, people were starting to build chat agents on Twitter that were having conversations with people. So there was the one where was given $50 million or whatever, and go placed a Bitcoin bet or whatever it was. I was like, holy shit, this is getting really interesting. So if these things can now take a human input, whether that's in a social media channel, and all of a sudden they're like, yeah, just give me a Bitcoin address wallet, and I can actually go perform some action against it, like buy tokens, is like, wow, that is a new interaction paradigm. I'm now able to converse with a machine, as long as both parties